Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I got this Thanksgiving holiday glam look. So let's get started. So we are going to be using only one palette for this look. It is the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. So I'm going to start off by putting this bone color called Lynn all over my lid. I'm just putting this color on with a fluffy brush. You can use any fluffy brush that you have. So next I'm going to go in with this 1985 color. It has a tiny bit of an orange tint to it. I'm going to use a crease brush. I have a really light hand when I'm doing this, and I'm really gonna take my time. I think when you take your time, it really shows, you know what I mean? So we are focusing a little bit on the outer corner, but mostly here in that crease, just to deepen it up a bit. We have light layers of every color, which is good because we can always build. It's best to just start light and don't poke yourself in the eyeball. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of an oranger shade, is this color Mr. Diva, and I'm gonna put that in the same spot. Focusing most in the crease and then a little bit on the outer corner. I'm gonna dip into this Los Angeles. It's very, very orange. We're gonna focus most of it on the outer corner first and then a little bit in the crease. So before we move on to browns, I'm going to use the fluffy brush to kind of just blend all those colors together and get rid of any harsh lines that we have. We're blending so that we can still see the orange underneath the brown peeping out, not too much. We don't want to be dominant orange, we want to be dominant brown. So we want there to be a little bit poking out on top and a little bit on the side, but not too much, where it's kind of overtaking the whole look. So with the same crease brush, I'm going to dip into the brown shade Hi Dude. It's just any brown shade that you have, really. And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it all out. So now I'm going to do a mini cut crease with my NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and then take my concealer brush. If you have a rounded concealer brush, it's much better and easier to do a cut crease because then you could just follow the crease. This is the only one I have, so it's the one I'm gonna use. I personally really like to follow the line of my own crease. If you have smaller eyes than I do and you want bigger eyes, then you can go above your natural crease. If you want smaller eyes, then you can go below. So I like to follow my natural shape. So typically I would use my finger for this type of shimmer shade, but I have really long nails and so I can't really get my finger into that inner corner. So I'm going to take a flat shadow brush. So I'm going to pick up this color Designer Label. I'm just going to start packing it on there. I'm going to dab it on there so you kind of get the illusion like how you would if you used your finger. And this line isn't perfect, but that's okay because we're going to cover it up with the glitter liner. So we definitely want to get rid of this like line of demarcation here. So we are going to cover it with a little bit more of the brown. So pick up a little bit more of that brown shade and like just kind of dab it on. And then I'm gonna grab that crease brush just to kind of really lightly blend them together. I'm gonna pick up this color Chanel and I'm just gonna put it right on top of there. Just so it kind of helps the dark brown to kind of die down a little bit. I'm gonna clean the brush off and then I'm going to mix them together. So next we are going to do the glitter liner. I wouldn't recommend using this glitter liner because it's not meant for your eyeballs. It kind of burns my lid a little bit, even though I don't have sensitive skin. So I would not recommend using this one. So this one is from NYX. It is their liquid crystal liner. So if it's not meant for your eyes, I'm not sure why they call it liner, but so a good one that I don't have that I would recommend. So they are the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liners. They are really, really good. So I have another NYX product that I'm going to use. It is their NYX Vinyl Liner. I love this eyeliner. Mine's all like messed up because I use it so much. Listen, I know this line is not perfect, but it's okay. I'm only drawing this line so that it kind of hides my lash band a little bit. So for today's lashes, we are going to use Fatty Bee lashes in the style Saucy. If you are interested, I do have a video on how to apply false lashes. I will link it up above. So I am going to prime my face with YSL's Gold Blur Primer. Comment down below what your Thanksgiving plans are. Is Thanksgiving canceled where you live? Are you gonna have an intimate gathering? Or are you just gonna party on like you usually do? Let me know down below. Regardless, there ain't no reason you can't be looking good in your living room, okay? So for foundation today, I'm going to use the YSL Touche Eclat Foundation. I think it's how you say it. In BD25. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps me out. So what do we think of that difference with foundation, without foundation? I still think it looks pretty natural, you know, it doesn't cover up all of my blemishes, but you did pretty well. Even out my skin tone, I think it looks really natural and nice. And now we're going to do concealer, and we are going in with, you guessed it, the NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. You know what I haven't had in a long time because I ran out? It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I used to use both of these on top of each other for years, and now I'm completely out. So I just haven't gone to Ulta because I work at Sephora, so oh, I hate that. I have to go all the way there. Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Cannot forget this stuff. I use this every single day of my life. We are looking very, very white and bright. We really need to warm our face up, so I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Latte. I like to warm it up on the back of my hand like this, and then I will take a foundation brush. And I kind of take like 1/2 of the foundation brush and saturate it with that color because I don't want the whole thing because it's really fat. And then I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put it. Dab it. So I'm going to use the NARS Matte Bronzer in the color Laguna. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot to bake. How could I? Okay, so I'm gonna take this Hourglass Veil translucent powder and I'm going to dust it under my eyes. I usually bake before I add bronzer, but I completely forgot today. Like, who am I? I don't know. So I have another Nude Sticks product for you guys this week. It is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the color Rustique. And I'm just gonna put this in my waterline, like why not? I'm gonna dust this off because I don't want it to sit there for too long. Okay, so I added it in my waterline. I'm just going to add some more right here on the outer corner, underneath my waterline. Smudge it out a little bit. I'm gonna use MAC Peaches Blush. Obviously, I love it. I love peach blush. If there's another peach blush that you love, please comment down below because I want to find some different ones. I recently bought a NARS blush that is a little too dark for my liking. I'm gonna keep trying it, but today's not the day. Y'all know that I love my Makeup by Mario Master Secret Glow. Oh, I just am obsessed. This was in my October faves video. Everything is so much harder with long nails, you guys. I never ever would admit that before, but these days I'm really feeling it. So I'm going to use the Ilia mascara in the color After Midnight. It's just a black mascara with these kind of plastic bristles. I really like this because it has all different kinds of shapes and sizes on this brush. This to me is really easy for my under eyelashes because it doesn't have big fat bristles that are going to touch my skin, so it's less likely that I'm going to run into those kind of problems. Okay, we're finally all done with everything except for our lips. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Since it is Thanksgiving, we could go with a nude, but I feel like I always go with a nude. So I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner. And this is in the color 17 Molasses. And it's just a brown liner. So this is also another product from Sephora Collection. It is their Lip Stories lipstick in the color But First Coffee. I'm gonna have kind of a light hand. I don't want to be too brown. We're gonna take it up a notch. We're going to add Cherish by MAC into the center of the lip. Okay, we're gonna put it all over. A little bit of pink tone gloss. I'm gonna add that right on top. And then I'm going to clean everything up with my concealer brush. Alright you guys, this is the finished Thanksgiving holiday glam look. So what do we think? If you do like this look, please give this video a huge thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.